In this video, we'll show you how to change the upper control arm on your Ram 1500. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Before lifting your vehicle, it is necessary to measure the distance between the center of your wheel and the wheel arch. This will allow you to achieve an optimal tightening of the parts in their initial position. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely. Now you need to support the brake disc with a jack to make it easier to remove the upper control arm ball joint retainer nut. Brush the upper control arm ball joint retainer nut and spray it with penetrating oil. Using a 21mm wrench, loosen the holding nut. Use a ratchet and a 10mm socket to keep the ball joint from rotating. Tap on the knuckle to release the ball joint. On this component, this is often a difficult step as both components completely seize up. Using a ball joint puller, a specific tool for carrying out this job, release the ball joint. Take a zip tie and hang the wheel knuckle to prevent it from falling. Finish unscrewing the nut. If necessary, pry with a crowbar to facilitate handling. Then, remove the ball joint from the wheel knuckle. Brush the upper control arm retaining nuts and spray them with penetrating oil. Using a ratchet and a 21mm socket, unscrew the two bolts holding the upper control arm. Then remove the bolts. Remove the upper control arm by pulling it towards you and moving it back and forth. Brush and grease the control arm area to facilitate its installation. You can order the upper control arms used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new control arm. Then install the control arm. Then loosely screw the two bolts back on. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a wire brush, scrub the knuckle of the wheel knuckle. Then apply silicone grease to the flat part that will be in contact with the upper control arm ball joint sleeve. Start by temporarily replacing the control arm ball joint in its knuckle. Loosely screw the nut of the upper control arm ball joint back on. To avoid damaging the bushings, tighten the upper control arm bolts in the vehicle on the ground position. Lift the wheel knuckle with the wheel jack until the original measurement between the center of the wheel and the wheel arch is reached. Then screw the two bolts back on using the ratchet until they make contact. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. You can now complete the tightening of the upper control arm ball joint with the torque wrench. Next, add the recommended clamping angle. You can now cut the zip tie with wire cutters. Replace the ABS sensor cable in its slots. Remove the jack. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.